Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your can't log into Roblox. So if you're trying to log into a Roblox account and it just doesn't let you, the first thing I will suggest you to check is your internet. Sometimes due to slow internet this causes the problem, and you can just open YouTube and try to see videos. If the video is lagging, then your internet is slow, but the video is playing, smoothly, then it's not your internet problem. The next thing you want to do is when you're trying to log into your account, make sure to check the password and email you entered is correct. Because if you entered incorrect login detail as well, you won't be able to log into your Roblox account. But let's say your Wi-Fi is fast and the login detail you entered is correct. In that case, delete your Roblox app from your mobile. Once you delete your Roblox app, reinstall it again. What that will do is that'll basically delete the bug that is causing the problem, and when you download Roblox, you will download the latest version of Roblox, which means you will update your Roblox at the same time as well. Doing that should fix the problem. And even after reinstalling your Roblox, it's still not fixed. What you can do is check the Roblox server, because sometimes Roblox server goes offline to fix their problem, and in that time you are not going to be able to log into your account. So to check that, you can open up your browser, and on your browser you want to search for is Roblox down detector. Once you search for this, the first option down detector, click on it. It's going to show you if the servers are on or off. So it says user report indicates no problem at Roblox, which means Roblox servers are not down, the problem is with our device. But if it showed us that user report indicates Roblox has a problem, that means Roblox servers are down. In that case, you just have to wait until they fix their issue so you can log into your account. And if you're using VPN to log into Roblox, turn it off as well, because sometimes that VPN also causes the problem. But yeah, that's how you guys can fix your can't login problem in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.